Hey guys, so I just bought this MS1 Pro motorcycle Bluetooth headset, and now I'm setting it all up, and this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna try and put it on this helmet. I started it already by putting in the bracket, and this is what it should kind of look like. That's what I did on one of my helmet. So now I'm installing another one in this open helmet, in this open face helmet. On this one, I used a clip, used the bracket clip that comes with it, which is this thing. But for an open face helmet, it doesn't seem to work. I tried putting it in here, but it just wouldn't push any further. So I just used the tape. I cleaned it up with an alcohol. I cleaned it up with an alcohol right here. Alcohol, there you go. And I cleaned up the surface and then put the 3mm tape that came with it. So as you can see, it's right there. Hopefully there's no gap. Like you want that I think you want that as tight as possible right there, not leaving any gap. But yeah, that's as close to what I can get it. So right now I got the bracket in there and right here. And so the next step is add the earpiece in. So this is where I'm gonna put it. I've already tried this helmet, and I know that the ear position, if I wear it, so I think what you gotta do is you gotta wear it and locate where you want this the ear pad to be. Okay, so in my case, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna try it again, and then I'll put it on. So now we're gonna try and install the cable, the wire, the earpiece. And the trick here is to basically make sure that the wires are all hidden. So I've already added the Velcro, as you can see there, to where I want the ear pad to go. And so I'm just gonna attach it right now. That's where it's gonna go. Oh, by the way, to some of you, you might need to remove the side, the motorcycle side, side foam, so that you can get a better access to it. So yeah, remove this, add this in the piece where your ear is gonna be. And the trick again is to just hide the cables, but you want to make sure that it also overhang. Like you also make sure that that this piece is kind of loose, so that you have some play. Okay, so I'm gonna try and hide this cable inside, and I'll show you what I've done in a bit. Okay, so I've kind of hidden them in there. Had to take this out here, and that's where I hidden all the wires. You can see in here on the other side. And I think it's best that this here is kind of pushed upwards, so that it doesn't hit the button where you're gonna put the side foam. Same in here. Okay, so yeah, try to hide the wires as best as you can. And here, I've kind of went underneath here on the back, kind of underneath there in the back, went around. Yeah, and this is kind of loose, as you can see. Yeah, so I got this thing put on, got the ears all ready, and so I'm just gonna add the side plate, or side foam, and then ready to go. Okay, so once you've got the ear pad set in place, I had to push mine down because the clip wouldn't close. So as you can see, I had to push it down a little bit. By the way, the helmet is upside down, so if you're kind of confused. But before you think you're all like, I thought I was all done. I put all the clips in, but then I realized that I gotta put this on. This is the mouthpiece where you can the microphone. So it comes with two different types of mics, so you can use this one if you have a closed helmet, or you can use this one for an open helmet. So this one here would then attach to this Velcro that I just put in, And so I'm gonna put it right there and hold that close. And then this is pretty important. It goes with the with this one here. So just connect the one to the other. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is what the final product looked like. So there it is. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. That you don't want it super tight, right there. So you got a loose cable. That's what it looks like. And this is pretty easy to adjust. This is like movable or stretchable, or not stretchable, but you know what I mean. I had to move this. It was over here originally, and then I had to move it here because it's much better on this side, so that I can. It's kind of like you can close it. Over here, didn't have enough. It was too exposed in here, so yeah. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty clean inside. You can't really see the cables, right? But there it is. There's the pad for the ears, and that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like on the side. I'm gonna try it on later and see what happens. For the other helmet, I just want to show you guys that this is what it looks like. And because this one is a full helmet, I had to use the other one, the other microphone, and so it's right there. So again, Velcro, and then just right in the face, right in front of the face where my mouth is, so it's nice and clear. I've tried this one, and it's really good. When I talk to my friends, when I'm riding. So yeah, I can do a review if you guys want. The only question I have for you guys is, I don't know what this is. Like, it comes with it. This is like EVA rubber. So if you guys know how to use this or where it's supposed to go, let me know. I can't find anything online, but other than that, I hope you like the video, and click the subscribe button and hit that like button, and yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks.